How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can actually reset the Game Stick Lite 4K, which is going to be this device right here. Now, there's multiple ways that you could do this. First things first, you want to head over to the actual Game Stick itself, and you then want to try the reset hole. Now, in some other cases, there's going to be something like the update button. So you just want to use something like the SIM ejector, try pressing on that small hole right here and see if that will reset the device itself. Right after, we then want to try another one, which is to do the software reset. So we want to navigate from the main menu, select the select start button on your console, and then you could find the reboot to recovery or factory reset option in order to reset it to the default setting. And the last thing that I recommend doing is to simply get the micro USB right here, or I mean the card slot, which has your micro SD card. And simply from there, you could just plug it onto your computer. And then right after, let's head over to our files. In here, you then want to look for your SD card. Right click on it, and then we have the format button. So you could just format it normally, plug it back onto the game stick, and from there, you have successfully resetted your device. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.